Hello guys, welcome back on our technology welfare. Let's learn and dive with practically in this tutorial how to find out any iPhones that is in stolen mode, lost mode or blacklisted. Yes or iCloud status. How do you know that? It is locked or not? It is locked to owner or not? It is linked to an Apple ID or not? It is. Yes, their Find My device is enabled or disabled. As we know that this kind of the information is very important for us while we purchasing a second-hand iPhone device. So how do you access to have this kind of information? By free, of course. Quickly, if we know IEMI number, that's better, or serial number, then easy to access this kind of information quickly. So we will have to open a Google Chrome browser. We will have to come on this website that is IMEI24.com, and here just we will have to put the IMEI number of any iPhones. So let's see. Just we will go for check it out and see here. We will have to mark that I am not a robot. Yes. Now as we see here, just as we see here, blacklist status is a totally clean now. So further we would like to know that free blacklist, check, lost or stolen. Of course it is a clean, not the blacklisted, not in a stolen mode, not in a special lost mode. If it were, then of course it would be showing here. So this is easy to detect here or find out any iCloud lock links as well as blacklist, stolen mode, lost mode. Furthermore, we would like to have the information. Then of course Find My device, just click on here and just you will have to enter the IEMI number, and thereupon of course you will be able to have the all kind of the information related to IEMI number, Find My device number status, that it is enabled or not. To know more the carrier, there are the various kind of the here, of course iPhone network, you can check it out, as well as the blacklist, the extended the versions and this kind of stuff. But this is not the to have, just it's a very important for us that your device is a blacklist, the stolen mode, lost, and that this can be here quickly access to have this kind of information or detect access to anyone's. So we were before the purchasing the second-hand device, guys, of any iPhones. So thank you for visiting a technology welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.